Hello everyone, today we are going to perform experiment on unbalanced delta connected load. In order to perform experiment on unbalanced delta connected load, it is required to make the position of resistive load bank switches in unbalanced condition. In order to perform experiment on delta connected unbalanced load, we require a suitable value 3-phase auto transformer. Then to measure the value of line voltage, we are going to use 0 to 500 volt AC voltmeter. This one is the 0 to 10 ampere AC ammeter. It will give the value of line current. 0 to 600 volt AC voltmeter gives us the value of phase voltage. This one is the digital AC ammeter. It will give us the value of phase current. This one is the wattmeter connected in R phase, and this one is again second wattmeter connected in B phase. Both the wattmeters are 750 watt, 600 volt, 5 ampere range. And next one is the delta connected resistive 3-phase lamp bank. Now I am actually going to perform experiment on delta connected unbalanced load. For this purpose, it is necessary to make the position of delta connected load such that unequal current flows through both the ammeters. Therefore, unbalanced situation is produced with the help of different switching positions in different phases. First reading for unbalanced load is line voltage is 415 volt, phase voltage is 415 volt, line current is 2 ampere, phase current is 1.447 ampere, wattmeter W1 gives 140 watt, wattmeter W2 gives 230 watt. Now again I am going to make the position of switches such that unbalanced current flows through the meters. Therefore, this one is the second unbalanced switching position for delta connected load. Under this condition, line voltage is 415 volt, phase voltage is 415 volt, line current is 2.45 ampere, phase current is 1.448 ampere, wattmeter W1 gives 220 watt, wattmeter W2 gives 300 watt. Therefore, by selecting the position of delta connected selector switch under unbalanced switching position, it is easy for us to determine the active, reactive and apparent power under delta connected unbalanced load condition.